Hi, I'm Michelle Donegan. I'm with Mobile Europe, and I'm here in Barcelona at Mobile World Congress with Pivotal Commware and Intellias.
Thanks for coming, first of all, and welcome to our booth here at Barcelona Mobile World Congress. So I'm Brian Deutsch. I'm CEO of Pivotal Commware.
Great. Konstantin?
My name is Konstantin. I'm a practice leader at a company called Intellias. We're a mid-market software development and platform engineering service, and great to be with you here today.
I'm Alex Katko, and I'm the VP of Engineering at Pivotal Commware. It's great to be here.
Great. Thanks for being here and spending the time today. So, Brian, tell us a little bit about what Pivotal does.
Pivotal Commware has created an ecosystem of products and application and services and software to really crack the code for millimeter wave implementation, especially for fixed wireless access in the United States and then also globally. We've been working shoulder to shoulder with mobile network operators to design, to build, and to optimize and continuously monitor these networks and really create the essence of the wireless edge.
Interesting. Okay. And Konstantin, tell us a little bit about the relationship and what Intellias does.
Yeah. So in the core of what we do, we're a digital engineering company. We're a mid-market organization with 3,200 engineers in 14 office and delivery locations across the board. So we essentially do two things. We help company, one, protect revenue, and two, make money, generate revenue by creating innovative solutions and outsourcing the developments to a lower cost location, potentially in Eastern Europe or other delivery locations in the world. And we've been working with Pivotal Commware to design and develop solutions, the software solution that they're using for their customers. So that's in essence what we do.
Great, great. And now you're showing something special here, a solution called WaveScape. Can, Alex, you tell us a little bit about what that is at a high level?
Yeah, absolutely. So WaveScape is it's essentially a network and economic modeling tool that we developed from the ground up. We found that everything that was kind of in the market already was just inadequate to really capture what you need to design a network for fixed wireless access, and in particular for millimeter wave. So we developed WaveScape, and we've been working with Intellias for some time now to really bring it out of the ground. So we kind of started off with this kernel of how do we just model propagation, and then also fold in total cost of ownership and even OpEx into how you build a network most effectively so that you can deliver the highest coverage and the highest subscriber access with the lowest total cost. So Intellias has been working with us for some time on how do we really turn that into a very usable, resilient tool, folding in a lot of automation, folding in very, very high-end geo-visualization, and getting us ready to really integrate it with an operator's OSS and BSS so that we can kind of combine everything into this full solution.
That telecom expertise is somewhat rare to find, and especially someone who's going to do these types of cloud services. So I think we're very fortunate that we found each other. They've been a great partner in that regard, but their in-depth understanding of us being more relatable to our customer in the telecom world, to mobile network operators, and their depth of experience there, and as Alex had said, in kind of that geospatial rendering has been absolutely perfect.
Interesting. And now there's something special about your relationship as well here in that Intellias, you're a Ukrainian company. And you've been working under extraordinary circumstances under the last year.
Yep.
What has that been like, and how have you been able to deliver the business continuity that you have through your work with Pivotal?
Absolutely. Well, if you think about Intellias, our success in commercial operations is actually driven by four things that we absolutely believe into. First, we're aspiring to be a large and global organization. Second, we're a partner. We're not a vendor to our customers. Third, it's all really about people and culture in the organization. Very, very people and centric company. And third, we've been investing in accumulating the engineering expertise, whether it's geoinformation systems, business operations support systems, in order to be successful. So I want to answer your question through the prism of those essentially values that we have in the company, right? So the first thing, the people-driven. When Russia invaded Ukraine back in February 2022, the first thing we did was actually saving people and saving the critical infrastructure. And people were absolutely the first priority for us. So we really were moving people from the affected areas in the east of the country to the west of the country in the first place in order to put our engineers, their families in a safe location. Second, we made a substantial investment into the alternative delivery center. So Poland's been traditionally a very big delivery center for us. We also spun up the South European locations like Portugal and Spain and Malaga here. We also did Latin America and India. So we really built the infrastructure in order to rebalance the workload and get our engineering capacity to 97, 98% in a matter of days. So ultimately our customers, including Pivotal Commware, were not affected, or at least were minimally affected by this transition period. So Brian, I wanted to also apologize.
Absolutely, no. That's a vote of confidence from us. I mean, we had to look hard at each other when the invasion occurred and say, you know, they've been such a great partner. Are they going to be able to pull this off? And if I had to describe Intellias, you know, if I could use two words, you know, first would be ingenuity. So, and it's an ingenuity in their software, but it's also obviously business practices too. You know, the ingenuity has been incredible, which leads to the second, which is tenacious.
Yeah.
And so, you know, they do partner with you. In other words, like we do with our customers. So our customers' problems are our problems to solve, right? And yeah, I think you feel very much the same way. So that's the relationship of a partner versus a vendor. And I think you embody that.
Yeah, thank you, Brian. I just want to maybe just add one point. I think what you mentioned, Brian, about the engineering skills is extremely important because we want to really have the engineering expertise that is important and relevant to our customers in the marketplace. So there are two components to that. So we either work with great organizations, with some of our customers, for example, Here Technologies, where we accumulated the expertise in the geoinformation systems, location analytics, and we're happy to accumulate and bring some of that expertise to this relationship with Pivotal Commware. So it's really the people-centric approach, our care for people, our partnership and care for our customers, but also, you know, the ability to contribute value and engineering competencies in the conversation. This is really what made us, you know, hopefully successful in delivering through these circumstances in Ukraine.
I could easily say that, you know, as a partner, you've been pivotal.
Exactly, pivotal. Nimble and pivotal, that's right. Thank you, I appreciate it, sir.
Absolutely.
That's great.
Wonderful, great story. Thanks for taking the time to share with us today.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.